Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Rizaldy, class 12 science, number 31. Here I will make sweetie. You can listen to the tutorial well. The materials needed are cup, sugar, 350 ml of warm water, tea bag, and spoon. Step for make a sweetie. Put hot water into glass that has been provided. Enter the tea bag. Dip the tea bag until it turns reddish. After redness, enter the sugar. Enough sugar. Then stir the tea until the sugar is completely dissolved. After that, take back the tea bag that was put in. After it's finished, the tea is ready to be served. Oh, very easy, right? That's all from me. Hope it is useful. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.